My blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xenon, so we're back with another reaction, man. Today we're with another one caught on Doorbell. It was part 11, and this one is called "This Is Why You Can't Leave Your Door Unlocked." If you guys enjoy those, drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, let them know which other one to try to next. And without further ado, let's get it.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Oh yeah. Oh hell no, they got a dog and everything, bro.
You are currently being recorded.
Staten Island, New York, home of the Wu-Tang Clan.
Oh shit, yeah.
So this lady and this guy finds a missing dog walking through the neighborhood. It apparently looks like a nice dog, so they're trying to find the owner. Let's see what happens.
Missing dog?
Welcome. This is Alexa. What is the purpose of the visit?
Oh shit. That's
Hi, I'm just wondering if anybody here has lost a dog.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do?
Nothing, no thank you.
I can take a message or assist with package delivery.
Get up, Alexa!
What do you want to do?
Are you missing a dog?
Oh, they came up.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville? Dude, your camera's upside down, bro. What the fuck?
Looks like they left the door open. It's almost 10 o'clock at night.
What does he do?
Make sure you keep those doors locked.
Enter home at gunpoint. Stole car and wallet. Nissan Maxima. People in, oh wait, people inside. There were two black guys in hoodies checking back the door. Okay. Dang, you gotta lock your doors, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, definitely connected to multiple crimes. Many videos from surrounding neighborhoods of the same people.
Why is he closing the door? Just leave it.
I'm about to say, just leave it like slightly open.
Kearney, New Jersey. Who gave this guy a driver's license?
Oh.
Ah no!
I don't see how you didn't see that car.
You got clown, bruh.
He just left it.
You fucking
He gets back in his
fool.
SUV and drives off. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Check this guy out.
Fuck.
It's almost 6 in the morning. This guy definitely needs to get lost.
Hell no, bruh. The fuck you doing?
Hi, how are you this morning?
Alhambra, California.
Nah, bruh.
Check these guys out. One of them has a Jimmy in the bag.
You are real dumb,
Looks like
bro.
they're trying to get inside.
He's staring at the
That's
camera
like
too, bro.
a dad and his son, bro.
Albuquerque,
Yeah.
New Mexico.
Oh hell no,
What's this guy up to?
bro. Coming in like Spider-Man. Yeah. That's actually scary, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah. You
Newark,
can't
New
even tell the
Jersey.
camera.
So a woman is walking out of a garage and all of a sudden a bottle comes out of nowhere.
Alright, bro. I mean, first of all, whoever fucking threw that, but her reaction, oh my god.
Yeah, awesome. Like
bro, hell no. I'll be like, what the fuck? Like,
Newark, New Jersey.
Oh my God.
So a woman is walking out of a garage and all of a sudden
I came out that window, bro.
that shit came
a
out
bottle comes out of nowhere.
Your neighbors don't like you. Oh, they're over there, bro. Look at them. You see them?
Alright.
I'm gonna go check the cameras right now.
Okay. My name is Arnold Reynolds.
Alright, bro. This ain't no interview, bro.
My nephew is that I left the restaurant to contact my nephew Ronald Arnold. And if he has not done this, make sure to contact me back.
Huh?
ASAP.
Wrong house, buddy.
That ASAP, bro. He's on some crazy shit.
God
Hell
damn.
no.
Oh no.
Fuck you doing,
Don't touch
bro?
any of that shit, bro.
Hell no. Hey, what you doing, bro? You about to...
Bruh.
Starts fighting it. Yep, I knew it, bro. Come on.
You're not missing a dog, are you?
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do?
First time I seen some actual nice people.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do?
Alexa, shut your mouth, bro.
Right?
I don't think so. I don't think we never see that.
That sucks. Might have gone abandoned.
Beautiful.
Dude, you should take it to like
Or call or animal control, whatever, you know?
yeah. A place I could check it for a chip and like, you know, find the owner or whatever.
But I don't know why nobody's out looking for him.
There's a lot of people in that.
Yeah.
It's hard to know each door in the house.
Exactly. Thank you so much
No,
for
no
your
problem.
friend.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Thank you.
You got a number, girl? Nah.
Hopefully they find the dog's owner. Looks like a pretty nice dog.
What?
Queens, New York.
What happened there, bro?
This guy's trying to jimmy his ways out.
Bro, like, these people look like sockable, you know what I'm saying? Like, their faces are just, like, meant to be slapped. Like, look at this dude, bro. How do you think he is doing this shit? Bro's gotta be in his 40s, bro.
He don't know. I say he's 23 years old.
Fuck no, bro.
He
Oh,
look just like
he
you.
looks
dog.
old as
Nice
shit.
apartment,
Hell no.
obviously.
Nah, he has to be like 40,
Yeah.
something, 50.
Make sure you keep those doors locked.
Motherfuckers are real dumb.
Meanwhile in Albuquerque, this guy's still wandering around.
Same dude, different house, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy as fuck.
Reno, Nevada. So this guy pulls up in an Audi SUV and he goes inside someone's garage and then breaks their window of the same exact car he's driving. Yeah,
What?
he must be looking for a specific part for his car or something.
God damn.
There ain't no fucking
He
way.
got that one tool. He just cracks the window and then just.
Didn't even steal
Buffalo, New
anything.
York. Check her out. She's grabbing a package with her nice jewelry on. Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, this is why you need that cam masker. Yeah, he spots the camera.
Nah.
Yeah. Get your cam masker. Make your ring cameras more discreet. Yeah, they spotted it right away.
It's a little too fucking late for that, bro.
El Paso, Texas.
Fuck, we doing beach
Check
jumps?
this
Right,
guy
what
out
the
with
hell?
dent.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell.
Bro's going
store.
through it. I don't know what
Get
happened,
your
but
Get Lost t-shirts and merchandise. Check us out at Doorbell.
I'm gonna try that. We gotta get one low key, bro. If they're not overpriced.
Yeah.
One person.
What do you
I'm
want?
looking for a gas station. I'm looking for a gas station.
A gas station.
There's none close to here.
What the fuck?
Right. Like,
Are you from here?
I mean, bro, what?
Yes.
There ain't no fucking way, bro. Are you from? Do you live here? Like.
Hey, I was just wondering if you know where the nearest gas station is.
It's on Zaragoza. You need to get out of this neighborhood.
Since there's some people that have been getting in trouble.
What? Oh hell, this was hell on something, bro. See, while he's sitting down, I'm going up out there and drop kicking the shit out this dude, bro. Fuck, is that the homeowner?
Probably.
Motherfucker, you go find it. This ain't my fucking job. What the fuck? Yeah. Was he just gonna sit there or what?
No, it looks like they just got there actually.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now
That's funny as
offering
shit.
members only
They pulled up
exclusive
quick.
content.
Become a member of Doorbell
Probably already
News
on the way.
today.
Yeah.
Exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Oh my god, what am I doing there, bro?
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Oh
Doorbell
fuck.
News Prime Watch.
God, who did I see a shotgun, bro? We gotta find that one, bro.
What?
Doorbell News today. Get exclusive
Forgot what a
content.
fucking
Join
shotty,
today
bro.
for exclusive access.
Ooh.
A motherfucker right
Oh
there.
shit!
Shit.
What the fuck?
That's
Oh,
crazy.
there's another one right there.
We had the whole AK. That looks like an AK. Yeah,
I don't know. I
some
don't
more
know
shit
anything
around
about
here.
guns.
That's fucking crazy. But yeah, that looks like the end of that, man. What y'all thought about that? We still gotta get a doorbell camera. I'm not saying anytime soon, because the money's kind of low. But I want to get a doorbell camera, see if we ever catch some shit in front of the house. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That'd be pretty
I don't know,
fucking
but
dope.
I always lock the doors
Yeah, we gotta always lock the fucking doors, bro.
and the windows.
I don't know, man. If you choose my house, I'm sorry, but it might just be your last day. I'm just saying, bro, because, I mean, fuck that. You don't know who the fuck is behind them doors and shit. I mean, looking at this, bro, just gets you more paranoid, low-key. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. It's crazy. But if y'all did enjoy, drop a like, subscribe. Peace.